Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 9th. We are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is dropping a little bit more today. So $21.27, 2.44%. We closed at 850. Post market, we are up $1.50 right now. This is changing as we speak. So let's look at what we have here. So we managed for 2 days to stay above the first channel, the second channel support, this line right here. And now we closed below it. So we are back into this first channel. Also at the same time, we seem to be bouncing a little bit on this support right here. Let me tell you the number, 842.98. 842.98 is a support that was a resistance on July 22nd. Also was the resistance right here, July 28, then became support the next day, July 29. And now we seem to be bouncing a little bit on it because we have a longer wick at the bottom here. So we came down to it, crossed it a little bit, but then the buyers pushed it back up. This is what this wick means at the bottom of the rectangle. It means that the stock came back down, but then it was pushed back up by the buyer. So we have some buying action at around 842.98. This is nice to see. Let's hope that we can maintain ourselves above that support. Of course, we have a stronger support at 800. The way you can assess the strength of a support is how long that support has been used in the past, and also how many touches the stock has done to it. So right now, this one right here has 3 touches. And if we are talking about 800, we have 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, 5, 6 candles that have touched it. And it started on September 24th, 2021. This is a stronger support right here. So maybe we can come down to it if we are a little bit more weak, but it's still possible that we maintain 842.98 also. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, the first hour of the day was right here. So we opened right where we closed yesterday, came down to our second channel support, bounced on it. So this was good news, but then started going down, second hour down, third hour down, then touched almost, this was not a perfect touch, but close to 842.98. And during the past 4 hours, we have been maintaining ourselves quite well. It's possible that the support holds. Coming back on the daily chart, we still have stochastic over 60 here on the daily chart. So we should be able to recover from this drop because we have enough strength in the stock. This is what stochastic is telling us. We still have the MACD crossover. We still have an RSI over 50. So these are all bullish signals. And we have DMI also that's in the green. What is nice is that we have the split that is going to come. This has some psychological effect that the stock is going to split and I'm going to have 3 times the amount of stocks. Even though in terms of the total investment you will have in Tesla, it's going to be exactly the same. There's still this a little bit of an aura with this split there. So this might be helping. And also the fact that we have a great earnings call. We had a great earnings call not too long ago when the stock was at 745. So we went as high as 845 and then came back down before going further again. Yeah, I'm repeating myself, but 842 is going to be interesting if we can hold this. Let's look at the VIX. So VIX trending sideways, went a little bit higher in terms of the low, in terms of the high also, but seems to be held off by this support that is now a resistance because we are underneath it. So VIX is not going too high, so this is helping us. Let's look at the Dow Jones. Dow Jones, you see here, it cannot break this resistance that it tried to break yesterday. It broke it during the day. And today we didn't even go above during the day. So basically going sideways, the markets are waiting for different indicators. The CPI, I think, is coming out tomorrow and things like that. Maybe this is what is impacting this little pause in the stock market. So S&P 500 also pretty sideways, but still very good stochastic. So this is still good news. Here we are caving down a little bit, but we are pausing on our channel support. Still a good stochastic. And in terms of NASDAQ 100, this is a little bit less nice. We dropped back into the channel. So this, I can now turn this red. And we have a similarity also with Tesla right here. So look at this. We have the same pattern here. We had the resistance not too long ago and caved underneath it, then broke it, and now we are using it as support. So everything is still in play. Everything is still in play. We are still in this uptrend from the daily chart. Even for Tesla, this is what is holding us up. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.